Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Today is another vlog. It's Sunday, so we are here at Takapuna area, and I am going for brisk walk and jogging along the beach later on. And before tayo pumunta sa beach, ay bumili muna ako ng pancake dito sa my number one pancake dito sa Takapuna area. So ito yung pancake na binili ko. Bumili ako ng chocolate flavor and red bean flavor. So far yung chocolate is okay. Natikman ko na, and it's my first time na tikman yung red bean flavor naman ngayon. So andito yung store nila dito sa likod ko. Ayan, kung makikita niyo dyan. And pinipilahan yan. Pero ako kasi I think I am one of the earliest customers. So kokonti pa yung yung mga tao. Pero nakita ko kanina may pila na doon sa may upuan. Yeah, and it's a very good pancake. Actually, it's a fried pancake and a Korean pancake. So you must try it kung pupunta kayo dito sa Takapuna. And yeah, kakain muna tayo ngayon ng pancake, and before tayo pumunta sa beach side for our light jogging and brisk walk. So ayun guys, it's Sunday morning, and maganda yung weather ngayon, and hopefully ay hindi umulan ng bigla-bigla. Alam nyo naman dito sa Auckland ay pabigla-bigla yung weather, hindi matansya kung iinit ba or uulan. Yan, kakain muna tayo saglit ng pancake, and then later on we will have a light walk dito sa beach, Takapuna Beach. Ayan yung beach. Hopefully ay maging low tide mamaya. Pero anyway, napakaganda ng beach. And yeah, very calm yung water. So, ito yung playground dito sa likod ko. And maghahanap lang tayo ng area kung saan tayo kakain ng ating pancake. Ayun, tambay muna tayo dito guys. Medyo malamig yung weather ngayon. Hindi siya gaanong mainit, and hindi siya gaanong humid. So it's perfect weather for today. Yeah, nakaka-relax lang, is just good to just sit here along the beach and pagmasdan yung mga tao dito, yung dagat. And yeah, it's a way for us to, to exercise our mind, yun, to clear out all the things that bothers us, all the concerns of the day, including all the, yung mga pinagdadaanan or whatever kung meron man. And yeah, very therapeutic kasi yung pumunta dito sa dagat and just be connected dito sa nature, like being present at the moment, just seeing the seagull around here and looking at the boats and the people swimming. And it's a very good place for us to be in, especially kailangan din nating mag-distress yung sarili natin before we, go back to work again. And yeah, it's a different environment, to uh, compared sa bahay. Kung mag-stay lang tayo ng bahay, then it will, it's gonna be a boring. So ako kasi I'll make sure na lumalabas din talaga ako every now and then, like at least once or twice a week, just to change my environment, to see other things, to explore other places, so I don't get used myself being stuck at home just watching TV or Netflix, and that's gonna be boring. I prefer to get in touch with nature and be connected with nature through walking and through traveling as well. Ang traveling is hindi kailangan hindi kailangan mahal. You can go to places that doesn't require any payment or entrance fee. There are many things that you can, or there are many places that you can visit here around Auckland or New Zealand that are really free, especially yung nature along the beach, sa mountain, and sa mga farm, including farm. Yeah, let me know kung paano kayo nagdi-distress sa inyong mga sarili, especially kung kayo ay nag-work or madaming mga problema. Let me know sa comment section on how you improve your mental health and how you practice mindfulness exercises. You know what? I'll gonna share with you na I do meditation like almost every day. Yeah, it's a good habit kasi it will help us, make our mental health be intact. It's also another way for us to distress ourselves, just to remove all the toxicities inside of us, especially all the things that occupies our mind. And yeah, this is a quite simple life, going to the beach, and yeah, it doesn't require any extra fee, or you don't need to spend money to connect with nature. So yun na, naubos ko na yung pancake, and eto wala ng laman. Pahinga lang tayo saglit, and then we gonna start walking in a bit. So madaming puno dito, madaming mga magnolia, pine tree, and puhutukawa trees. So ito yung beach. Ang daming mga tao dito ngayon. And makikita nyo yung mga ibang tao nakapaalang. And I will do that later on, yung magpapaa sa beach. One way for us to, to release the negative energies sa ating mga sarili is to just remove our shoes and slippers and walk on the ground without any sandals or shoes. Para sa ganun ay mag-ground lahat, maalis lahat yung ating mga toxins or any negative energy sa aking katawan or sa ating katawan papunta sa lupa. Yeah, it's a good practice to take some grounding every now and then, like at least 5 to 10 minutes uh, in a day, that would be good enough. You know, and you will feel later on na gagaan talaga yung pakiramdam mo pagka na-ground mo yung sarili mo sa lupa. So I'm gonna remove my shoes later on. Um, pagka nag-grounding na tayo dito. I'm gonna walk along the beach from end to end. Medyo malayo. It's 1.5 kilometer walk. Pero tama lang na exercise. And we're gonna take siguro four times na balikan from end to end. Madami ng tao dito sa beach. People are flocking along the beach. It's around 11 a.m. here, so it's expected kasi mataas na yung sikat ng araw. So I've seen a lot of people here at the back and in front of me. Yeah, they're starting to lay down their mats and sunbathing, sandcastle making. Lahat ng mga bata, matanda, dalaga, babae, lalaki ay nandito sa beach ngayon. And they're wearing bikini. So I'm gonna continue yung aking walk and jogging, and I'm gonna finish this lap. You can see those people, guys. Nagkakayak sila, and that is really a fun activity. Just overlooking the Rangitoto Island. I've experienced yung kayaking before, a few times sa Singapore and sa Vietnam and Malaysia, and it's really cool activity. And I'm looking forward to do another kayaking again. And I've seen some people paddling as well while ago. I'm not sure kung nasaan na sila. Ooh. Lakas ng alon. Lumalakas na. It's still high tide actually. So probably around afternoon pa yung low tide. Meron ako ulit good news para sa inyo. Lumabas na yung result ng aking blood test about sa level ng aking fatty liver. Kung matatandaan nyo, talagang mataas yung fatty liver enzyme ko, and I really need to do something to reduce yung aking fatty liver. It's really way beyond the limit. Like yung limit kasi is 50. Then last time My previous test, it was around 200. So napakataas niyan. Parang four times the maximum limit. And what I did at that time, for 1 month duration ay talagang nag-cut ako ng carbo, nag-cut ako ng lahat ng mga sugar and any unhealthy foods. And I started, to do brisk walk, jogging, and some some medications, and some herbal medications as well. So, fortunately, ay na-receive ko yung blood test result ko after ko magpa-test, like 1 week or 2 weeks ago. And it was a good news, guys. Bumaba yung aking fatty liver enzyme. And yeah, from 200 ay bumaba siya sa 78. Well, it's still over the normal range, which is the 50 kasi yung maximum limit or normal limit. And yeah, I have 78 so far based on my latest blood test result. And it's a very big difference compared like 2 months ago. And I still siguro need to continue what I'm doing, and drinking some tea, especially yung combination ng tea ng ginger, lemon, and turmeric and dandelion. Now I added dandelion, and I just learned few weeks ago that dandelion is also effective. Ayan, maganda talaga yung pasok ng 2025 ngayon, and lahat ng mga struggles last year ay unti-unti nang nare-reverse. It's been a long time actually na hindi ako nakaupo or nakasakay sa duyan. And I'm really enjoying here sa beach kasi hindi siya mainit. So yun guys, yung balita ko sa inyo. It's another good news na bumaba na yung aking fatty liver. So, and I'm hoping that next time na magpapatest ulit ako ay bumaba na ng tuluyan, and hopefully ay nasa normal range na ulit. So yun, madami pang mga kailangan nating gawin for us to reduce yung ating fatty liver and the bad cholesterol levels sa ating katawan. And yeah, so just stay healthy guys, and make sure na you are eating healthy, you are living healthy, and you are sleeping enough and drinking enough water for you to stay healthier for this year. Not only for this year, but for the rest of your lives. All of us naman ay gusto nating mabuhay ng matagal and walang sakit. Yun, pangalagaan lang natin yung ating kalusugan kasi ito ay biyaya ng Panginoon na dapat nating pagyamanin and alagaan. So let's take care of our health, not only our physical health but also our mental health, in order for us to live a life that is fulfilling, and so that we could serve our purpose dito sa mundo na to. I feel like we need to practice mindfulness and be connected with nature. But I hope that we set aside a portion of our week or a portion of our time to come to the beach or go to the mountain or go to nature for us to be reconnected with nature. I'll continue yung aking walk kasi I'm halfway through pa lang sa aking daily target na 7 kilometers or 10,000 steps, and we'll have to reach yung other side ng beach